Okay, so you may look at my uh, account which have my voice and the visual. You can focus here. Okay, so we want to discuss question number 1A first. Okay, 1A. So given here, skill practice 1.4. If you cannot see or the visual is blur, then you need to tell me. So we will try to settle the problem. So this is skill practice 1.4. In the arrow diagram on the right, function f maps set p to set q. So we have three set here, which is set p, set q, and set r. Okay, this p, given the object is x, then x is mapped to 3x. Okay, then this 3x is mapped to 2x minus 7. So for question number 1a, we want to find the function f. Function f given here, so function f given here is when the object is x, it mapped to 3x. So we will write the function as fx equals to 3x. Fx means here fx equals to 3x. Okay, Zulaika, number 1. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we want to proceed question number 2A. Okay, 2A. So we have here, mana 2A. Okay. For each pair of function below, obtain an expression. Yes, Khadijah and all the rest, you can mark your answer. Okay. So next, number red pen, yes. You can use your red pen. Thank you. Okay, next, for each pair of the function below, obtain an expression in the form of function notation for fg, gf, f squared, and g squared. So we want to find g squared. Okay, so here, given for question 2a, we have fx mapped to 3x, gx mapped to 3 minus x. So question 2a, we write in the notation like this, fx equals to 3x and gx equals to 3 minus x. Then we want to find g squared. G squared means gg. So gx. We find gx, given gx is 3 minus x. So g bracket 3 minus x, which is when we want to find g3 minus x, we will substitute in the function given, which is 3 minus x. X we substitute with 3 minus x here. Then we open the bracket, then we will simplify until we get x. Okay, siapa tanya tadi Who's asking for this question? Number 2A, Marsha. Is that okay? 2A. Okay, thank you, Marsha. So we proceed to question number 2D. Okay, 2D. 2D. So given here for fx equals to x minus 5, gx equals to 1 over x minus 1. Okay, question 2B. 2D, sorry. So this is the function. So x minus 5 and also 1 over x minus 1. So Siapa tanya tadi? Viviana? Bukan. Zulaika. Bukan Zulaika juga. Number 2D. Viviana lah. So Viviana, which one you want to know? All four or just one? Viviana? For question 2D, which one you want to know? FG, GF, F squared or G squared? G squared. Okay, so we want to find G squared. Okay, so we have Gx here, which is 1 over x minus 1 for G squared. So G squared means G. So G squared means G. So Gx. So Gx, we want to find the function for Gx. We substitute this Gx with the function given, which is 1 over x minus 1. Then we want to find function g 1 over x minus 1. We substitute this one inside the function, also function gx. So which is 1 divided by 1 over x minus 1 minus 1. Okay, then so this one we have the fraction, this also we have the fraction. So we change this one into divide. Okay, nak bagi tak confuse lah. Okay, so we have 1, this is 1, divide, the fraction change to divide, 1 over x minus 1 minus with 1. This one, okay, we have the fraction over x minus 1. So means we times this one, which is 1 over 1. This times with x minus 1. This also times with x minus 1. So 1 times x minus 1, we will get x minus 1. And 1 here also, we get x minus 1. Then we open the bracket, which is 1 minus x plus 1. So 1 minus x plus 1, we will get x minus 1. Oh, sorry. Yang ni dah tertukar. Okay. Yang ini saya tunjuk yang ini. 1 minus x plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get 2 minus x. 2 minus x. Here, kalau kita nampak di sini saya dah skip yang ni. So this one, saya tunjuk di bawah. Okay, this one. 1 minus x minus 1 minus x minus 1. So, yang ini ni kita buka bracket. So, kita akan dapat x. Ini buka bracket dapat positif. So, yang ini akan samalah sebab we have x minus 1 here, x minus 1 here as a fraction. The procedure of fraction, the same denominator, so we can combine. So 1 plus 1 we get 2. Here negative times x, we get negative x. So we will get 2 minus x over x minus 1. Then yang ni lah yang saya skip ni. Okay, this is the method. So here divide. Okay, here divide. So I change to times. So we change to times, then this will become numerator, the denominator will become denominator. Numerator akan jadi denominator, so we do the upside down. Okay, tukar atas dan bawah. Okay, so here become x minus 1 over 2 minus x. Then we times with 1, so we will get the answer x minus 1 over 2 minus x. Okay, so Viviana, is that okay? Should I repeat again? Okay, thank you. So we proceed to next question. Okay, welcome. So next question, apa tadi ya? So we already find 2a. We already find 1a, 2a, 2d, and then question number 3. Okay, so next is question number 3. So number 3, who's asking? Zulaika asking. So number 3, which question? Both question? B. Okay, thank you. So we want to find B. So we have two functions, f and g are defined by fx, which is 3x plus 4, and gx x squared plus 6. Find the expression for fg and gf. Then find the value of x when, so question B, fg equals to gf. Okay, we need to find, first of all, we need to find what is fg, and we also need to find what is gf. Then we will do the equation. So question 3b. Okay, so given fg and gf is equal, so we need to find the fg first. Okay, the first question also asks we to find fg and gf. So fg, okay, this is given, the function given fx and gx. So fg is fgx. So gx, we substitute gx given x squared plus 6. So x squared plus 6, which is, this one kita replace dengan ini. So fx squared plus 6 here. And then this one, okay, fx squared plus 6 equals to this x squared plus 6, we will substitute inside the f function, which is 3x squared plus 6 plus 4. Then we expand the bracket. Expand the bracket, we get 3x squared plus 18 plus 4. Then we do simplification, so we will get 3x squared plus 22. Okay, so this is fgx. Then we need to find the gfx. Okay, gf. Given here, given before, fx is equals to gf. So we need to find gf. So gf is gfx. Okay, so we substitute fx here with the function given. So we write g 3x plus 4 because this is fx. Then we will find g 3x plus 4. So means here we must substitute this one inside gx function. Inside gx function. So in x squared here, we will substitute with 3x plus 4. So 3x plus 4 squared plus 6. Okay, then we open the bracket. We expand this one. 3x squared plus 4 squared means here 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. Okay, so we expand this one until we get 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. Okay, this one saya guna method yang shortcut, which is, ya, kalau awak tak tahu, you may PM me. I will do some extra tuition for you to expand this one. So this one we have 3x plus 4. So to expand without using this method, I use 3x squared, then this 3x squared, we will get 3 squared is 9, x squared we get x squared. Then this one times this one times this one. 3x times 4 times 2. 3x times 4 is 12x, times with 2 is 24x. So then this one we squared. So for positive 4 squared is positive 16. Okay, siapa tak tahu? So siapa tak tahu this shortcut method, you may PM me. Okay, so next we do simplification. So we will get 9x squared plus 2, 24x plus 22. So given here this one and this one are equal. So we will write 3x squared plus 22 equals to 9x squared plus 24x plus 22. Okay, so we do the comparison. Actually not a comparison. This one is the equation. Fg equals to gf. So, and then we bring everything in the right side. Okay, we bring to the left hand side. So, here become 9. Okay, saya ubah yang ni ke sini. Okay, tak apalah. Yang mana-mana pun sama. So we will do all to the left side. Okay. Kalau left side. Yang ni So 3x squared minus 9x squared, because this one positive, bring here become negative. And then this 24 become minus 24x. And this 22 become negative 22. Here positive, still positive because still in the same side. So then the right side will become 0. So this is different between this one and this one. Nampak macam berbeza, but actually same, all the same. So why? Because here, when we do a simplification, we will get this one negative 6x squared, because we have 3x squared minus 9x squared, we have negative 6x squared. Then this one can, okay, eliminate because we have negative 2 plus 22, which is 0. So habislah. So here minus 24x equals to 0. So what's the difference between this and this? This is negative, negative. This one positive, positive. Means here, I just change the place. Okay, I change this one to the right side, this one to the right side, and 0 to the left side. So, but I still write in the left and right. So this one becomes 6 squared, or other method, we times with negative 1. So negative 1 times 6, we get positive. Negative 1 times 24, we get negative 24, we get positive 24. Then 0 times negative 1, still 0. Okay, so same also lah. Okay, so next, we do the divide by 6. This one, we have 6 here, we have 24 here. So we divide everything with 6. So we get x squared plus 4x, because 24 divided by 6, we get 4x equals to 0. 0 divided by 6 is 0. Then we do the factorization. Okay, so factorization, here we have x squared, here we have x. So we factorize the x, we get x bracket x plus 4. Means here, this x, we have two value, which is x equals to 0 or x equals to negative 4. So next, Zulaika, is that okay? Clear? Okay. Okay, so we proceed. Question 3, okay. Then question 4 and 5. Okay, so the question 4 and 5, given that fx is equals to ax plus b, and f squared x is 4x minus 9. Find the value of the constant a and b. So we do we have fx equals to ax plus b, given lah, and also given f squared means fx is 4x minus 9. So we want to find what is a, what is b. Okay, to find a and b, firstly we will do what is fx first. So fx, okay, fx. So from the function given, fx is ax plus b. So we want to find f ax plus b. Okay, then we substitute this ax plus b inside the function of fx. So we will get a, substitute the x, ax plus b plus b. And then we expand the bracket. So a times a is a squared x. A times b is ab plus b. So this is what we get from the function given here. But also given fx is 4x minus 9. So we can do comparison between this and this one we get. So we have ax squared plus ab plus b. Okay, this one we already found, the first one. And then this one is given, so equals to 4x minus 9. So as we look at this one, here we have the x. Here we don't have any x. So when we do a comparison, here we have the x, here we don't have the x. This is only number. So means here, this for the coefficient of x here, is equals to A squared. Okay, so means here A squared equals to 4. So to find A, we do a square root. Okay, square root of 4 is positive, negative 2. Okay, so next. So we already find the A. Okay, the value of A, we have two value, which is positive or either positive 4 or negative 2. So next, we also do a comparison. This one we already do the comparison. These don't have any X. So means here, this AB plus B is equals to negative 9. AB plus B is equals to negative 9. Then we have A. We have value of A. As before, we find the A, we have two value of A. Means here we must find two answer. One we use the positive A, positive 2. Another one we use negative 2. So we do. Okay, we replace this one. We substitute 2 inside AB plus B. So we will get 2B plus B equals to negative 9. Then we get the B equals to negative 3. Then this one, if A is 2. If A is negative 2, then we do a substitution. Negative 2B plus B equals to negative 9. And then we do the simplification. We will get B equals to 9. So means here we have 4 answers. If A 2, B negative 3. If A negative 2, B 9. Okay. So, siapa tanya ni? Chan Kaing. Is that okay? Question number 4. Okay, thank you. So I will proceed question number 5. So question number 5. If fx given is 3x plus k, gx is 2h minus 3x. So also given here such that fg equals to f. Find the relation between h and k. Okay, we need to find the relation between h and k, which is also given fg is equal to gf. Okay, so question number 5. As we do before, okay, sebelum ni kita dah buat tadi, when fg equals to gf, we must find the fg first. We also must find the gf first. Okay, so for question number 5, given fx equals to 3x plus k and also given gx equals to 2h minus 3x. So we want to find fg first. So fgx. So gx is 2h minus 3x. Okay, then we will substitute this 2h minus 3x inside the function f. So we will get 2h minus 3x plus k. Then we do a simplification. We will get 6h minus 9x plus k. Okay, so next question also given, which is fg equals to gf. So we need to find gf. So gf. So gf is gfx. So fx given is 3x plus k. So means here we need to find g 3x plus k. So we will substitute this 3x plus k inside the function g. So inside the function g, 2h minus 3x plus k. Substitute the x. So then we open the bracket, we do the simplification, we will get 2h minus 9x minus 3k. Okay, then we go to the function given and the equation given, which is fg equals to gf. So we already find the fg. Fg is 6h minus 9x plus k. And also given, also we find the gf. So gf is 2h minus 9x minus 3k. So we do the equation. Then the question asks me, what is the relationship between h and k? So means you can write H in K or K in H, either one. Okay, so we do the simplification. We have 6H plus K. We have 2H minus 3X. Here both also have 9X, so we can eliminate here. Then H we bring to the left side, K we bring to the right side. So we will get the last one is H equals to negative K. So this is the relation between H and K. So next, Kaying, question number 5, is that okay? Okay. So for the rest students, any question, skill practice 1.4, self practice 1.4, got any problem? If you have any problem, you can raise your hand. So no problem. Saya tak nampak pun lah. Okay, thank you Khadijah. Yeah. So tak ada siapa yang raise hand. Okay. So we may proceed to the next subtopic, which is we want to find the image or object of a composite function. You may refer to your textbook in page 15. We want to discuss example 9. Oh yeah, so soalan lain ya. Soalan lain, jawapan. You may check answer. Saya bagi masa lah. Check answer. Question number 1. Here 1AB. Okay. Yeah, Sandira Mugi. Anything you want to tell me? You want to ask me? No? Hello? Please explain me again question number 5. Okay, no problem. I will explain. Okay. Wait, before that. Apalah, saya terang dulu baru saya bagi jawapan yang lain. Okay, so question number 5. Okay, look back the question. So we have fx given is 3x minus plus k, and also gx we have 2h minus 3x. So given fg equals to gf. Okay, fg equals to gf. So we need to find the relation between h and k. Okay, relation between h and k. So first of all, we need to find what is fg and what is gf. So we have fg. Fg is fgx. So we substitute gx. Function gx is 2h minus 3x. So substitute inside here. So we need to find f 2h minus 3x. Okay, this one from the gx. Then we can substitute this one, this 2h minus 3x inside the function f. So we substitute the x here with the 2h minus 3x. So we will get 3 bracket 2h minus 3x then plus k. So we do the simplification. We will get 6h minus 9x plus k. Until this, Sandira, is that okay?
Yeah,
Until
teacher,
here, is
thank
that
you.
okay? So next, we proceed to GF. So we find the GFX. So GFX. So we substitute FX. FX is 3x plus k. So we substitute fx with 3x plus k. So we need to find g 3x plus k. So g 3x plus k, substitute 3x plus k inside the function g. Function g. So we substitute this one inside this one. So means x here must be substitute with 3x plus k. Here will be 2h minus 3 bracket 3x plus k. So after we substitute, we do the simplification. The last is 2h minus 9x minus 3k. So until this, Sandira, is that okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, then we do the comparison because question give fg equals to gf. So we do 6, this one we find fg, so 6h minus 9x plus k, and we find the gf, which is 2h plus 9x minus 3k. Then we do the simplification, which is here we have 9x, negative 9x, here we have negative 9x, we can eliminate both side 9x. Then the remainder we have 6h plus k equals to 2h minus 3k. So then we bring h in the left side and the k to the right side. So h here, 2h become negative 2h, k here, positive become negative k. Then we do, okay, alias, okay. So then we have 6 minus 2h, we get 4h. Then negative 3k minus k, we get negative 4k. Then 4 here, 4 here, 4 divide 4 bring to here become negative 4 divide 4 times become divide. So the last one we will get h equals to negative k. So Sandira, until here, is that clear?
Yeah, okay, teacher.
Okay.
You.
Okay, welcome. So Alia asked to repeat 2C. 2C kita tak bincang pun. Okay, no one asked me 2C. So I just skip the question. So never mind. So which 2C you want to do, to discuss? FG, GF, F squared or G squared? Alia. G squared. G squared, Alia? Okay. So question 2C. Okay, 2C. So we have fx. Given fx, x plus 4, gx is 6 over x. Okay, we want to find g squared. So question number 2C. So we want to find g squared. Here the function given. Here the function given. Fx equals to x plus 4. Gx equals to 6 over x. Okay. Then we want to find gx squared. So gx squared is gg. Gg is gx. Okay, ggx. Okay. Then we have, nampak tak? Okay. So gx given is 6 over x. So we substitute this gx with 6 over x. Then we need to find the g, the function g 6 over x. Means we use the function 6 over x and substitute the x with the 6 over x. So we will get 6 divide 6 over 6 over x. So as we do before, okay, untuk soalan mana tadi kita buat? Soalan D kot. Okay, so this one we change to the left side. So kita akan jadi 6 divide with 6 over x. This divide change to times. Then this 6 over x upside down, it become x over 6. Then we do 6 times x is 6 times x over 6. This one can be simplified. So the answer is x. Okay, Alia, that clear? Clear? Alia, okay? Okay. So, the others, got any problem? So, I already saw you the, I already give you the answer for 1A and 1B. So, this is 1A, this is 1B. So, you may mark your answer. Okay. Then, after this, I will paste in the Telegram all the method. So you may refer in the Telegram how to solve self-practice 1.4. Okay, is that okay? Okay, huh? So any problem? Okay, Sasmita, thank you. So any problem? Yeah, okay, okay. So we want to continue. So continue our lesson. for we want to find the image and object page, you can refer to page 15 in textbook. Okay, so in textbook. So we already find the composite function. We know the composite function. Then we need to find the image and object of composite function. Okay, depends on the question given. So look at example 9. Okay, example 9. If fx given x minus 1 and gx equals to x squared minus 3x plus 4. So the question asks we to find fg2 and gf1. So we have two methods actually. So depends lah awak nak guna yang mana satu. If you feel the first one is better, then you can use the first one, or the second one is better, you can use the second one. So let me show you which one is the first method, which one is the second method. So here, so given soalan tadi, so given fx equals to x minus 1, and also given x squared, gx is x squared minus 3x plus 4. Okay, then we want to find fg2. So fg2, okay, ada dua method kan saya kata. So fg2. So fg2, this is g2. So we find the g2 first. So we use the function gx. We substitute x here with every x here with 2. So we find the value for g2 which equals to 2. Okay, substitute lah. 2 squared minus 3, 2 plus 4. So then we will get 2. Then after that, we find ni fg2 kan. G2 kita dapat 2. So f2 from here. Not 2 here, but 2 here. The answer. f2. So we substitute these 2 inside the function here. So 2 minus 1. So we will get answer is 1. So this is the first method. Okay. Second method. Okay. Second method here. So we have fgx. We need to find the fgx first. Okay. fg is fgx. So we substitute gx with the function gx, which is x squared minus 3x plus 4. So then we need to find this function fx squared minus 3x plus 4. So we substitute each x here, okay, in a f function with the x squared minus 3x plus 4. So we substitute here. This is the x, then minus 1. This is the function of f. Then we do the simplification. We get x squared minus 3x plus 3. Okay. Then after we already find the fgx. Then we need to find, the question asks we to find f2. So f2 here, 2 squared minus 2 plus 2. Because we just use this one. We already find the fgx. So we replace this one, we substitute each x here with 2 here. So we substitute here, then the answer is 1. So both also can be accepted. Both method can be also accepted. But in textbook, okay, in textbook, look at question GF1. GF1 also they gonna find the x first, the function first, then baru dia substitute with the number. Okay, so it depends on you lah, which one is the better way for you. Okay, so next. Okay, question B. So we proceed to question B. Any problem? Question A. Example 9A. Okay, if you have problem, then you can raise your hand. Okay, so no one raise a hand. So I will proceed to B. So given the function fx and gx, we want to find the value of x is if fgx equals to 7. Okay, fgx equals to 7. So So here we have f gx equals to x squared minus 3x. Mana ni? Oh, the first one. Okay. Okay. F gx equals to x squared minus 3x plus 3. Yang ini yang kita cari tadi. Okay. The first thing we find in f gx. So x squared minus 3x plus 3. So this is we already have. And then also given f gx equal to 7. So we do the comparison between this one and this one. So x squared minus 3x plus 3 equals to 7. Then we do the quadratic equation. We bring this 7 to the left side, become negative 7. And then we do the factorization for x squared minus 3x minus 4. So we will get the value x equals to 4 or x equals to negative 1. So we have two values for x. When f gx equal to 7, the value x will be negative 1 or 4. Okay. Is that okay? Clear? Okay, no one, no problem. If you have problem, then you can raise your hand. Okay, if no problem, I will proceed to the next. Okay, thank you, Zulaika. So, we proceed to example 10 in page 16. Okay, turn to page 16 in your textbook. This one quite complicated, but never mind. As you do your practice, you will know how to do. Okay. Question 10. The function f is defined by fx equals to x minus 2. Find the function g for each of the following, which is a, f, gx is 8x minus 7. So, first of all, we have the f. We don't have the gx. Okay, we only have fx. We don't have the function gx. So, we want to find what the function gx here now. Okay, so given f gx equals to 8x minus 7. So if f gx, okay, if f gx, mana pensel saya? Where's my pen? Wait lah. Cari pen tak jumpa pula dah. Okay. So if f gx here, this is the function fx, we substitute this gx inside the function fx. So means here we find the gx minus 2. Okay, substitute this x with the gx because we want to find f gx. So gx minus 2. And we also given f gx equal to 8x minus 7. So this one we do comparison. Gx minus 2 is equal to 8x minus 7. So gx minus 1 equals to 8x minus 7. Then we can find the gx. We bring this negative 1 to the other side, become positive. Sorry, 1 and 2, 2 and 2. Sorry. So gx minus 2. So these 2 bring to the other side, become positive 2. So negative 7 plus 2, we get negative 5. So gx here is equals to 8x minus 5. Our function gx is mapped to 8x minus 5. Okay, clear? Should I repeat? If you think I should repeat, then you can raise your hand. Clear. Okay, thank you, Masha. Okay. So then we proceed to B. Given gfx equals to x squared plus 3x minus 5. Okay, gfx is equals to x squared plus 3x minus 5. Then, ini complicated sikit. So please focus. So we have gfx. Okay, equals to g fx we already have. So we substitute the fx with the x minus 2. Okay, yang ni kita dah ada fx daripada soalan. Okay, then gx minus 2. Okay, saya assume this one, we assume this one as y. Okay, satu nombor lain lah kalau awak, you can choose the other letter lah, A ke B ke. So to make it easier, but don't choose the same one x. Okay, so y here, assume as x minus 2. So y equals to x minus 2. Then we want to find x. X equals to y plus 2. This negative 2 bring to the left side, so become positive. So x equals to y plus 2. So after we get this one, we need to find gy. Why gy? Because this is y. We assume this one as y. So gy is given x squared plus 3x minus 5. And we also know x is y plus 2. So we substitute y plus 2 here in every x in the function. So y plus 2 squared plus 3 bracket y plus 2, because this is x, y plus 2 minus 5. Then we do the simplification. So we will get y squared plus 7y plus 5. This is gy. This is gy. Gy is y squared plus 7y plus 5. So we want x. So we want the value of x. So value of x, we will get gx. This is gy. We replace y. We substitute y with x. So the rest of y, we will change to x also. So x squared plus 7x plus 5. So this is the function of gx, which is gx is mapped to x squared plus 7x plus 5. Okay, that clear? Should I repeat? No. Okay, no one raise your hand. So means here, I want to give you exercise. Okay, self-practice 1.5. Saya nak awak buat latihan banyak sikit. Is that okay for you? Kalau awak rasa ada masalah, then you can raise your hand. If you feel I give you too many questions, or you have so many homework for today, then you can raise your hand and I can give you a discount. Okay, so I want to give you, this is what I want to give. So self-practice 1.5, question 1 and 2, and self-practice 1.6, question 1, 2, 3, 4. So means here is total about 20 questions. Is that okay for you? Any problem? Raise your hand if you have a problem. Okay, if no problem, so I will give you, maybe someone ask what's kat sini. The attendant, I have only 33, but here, okay lah tu. Teacher, can you repeat the question? Okay, I will paste this question in the Telegram. I want to give you practice 1.5, page 15, question 1 and 2, all, means all. Then page 16, self-practice 1.6, also all, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, never mind, I will paste this question in the Telegram. Okay, any question? Anyone want to ask me? If you don't have any question, so thank you for attend our class, and then see you again in next Monday. So for self-practice 1.4 also, I will give in Telegram the method. Okay. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. See you.